Here are 5 things you didn't know about neutron-activated racing microwaves. First, only 3 of these machines exist worldwide, all created by accident in particle physics labs. They achieve nuclear-level speeds of 400 miles per hour using atomic particle acceleration, instead of traditional engines. Second, during transformation, they glow with blue Cherenkov radiation, while Geiger counters click frantically in the background. Third, neutron bombardment creates self-sustaining fusion reactions, making them technically perpetual motion racing machines that never need fuel. Fourth, each requires a full team of nuclear engineers as pit crew members to handle the radioactive components safely. Fifth, at maximum speed they achieve time dilation, meaning drivers age slower during races but arrive at the finish line before they actually started. This has broken 12 racetracks' timing systems with temporal paradoxes.